Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out a smartwatch from Fanny. So this is the Fany Luna, and this actually came kind of pre-packaged. Look at this. It looks really nice to give this as a gift. So this was the Christmas edition of the mocha brown Fany Luna smartwatch. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a peek. Taking that outer sleeve off, we're left with a beautiful gift box. So this looks like, see the vibe. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. So we have a leather band with champagne gold and mocha brown. Some more back of the box information. This is the Fany Luna smartwatch. It looks like we do have an app we can go ahead and download right there with a convenient QR code. Upon opening the box, we are met with some more beautiful packaging. It says, hey, this moment's all yours. A sincere nod at your style, a gentle sense of your body's rhythm, a warm celebration of your authentic self. We're honored to walk beside you. So on the back side of that card, it looks like we have a little more information. Again, we have a QR code to go ahead and join a Facebook group. But let's have a peek at that watch now. Having a first look at that watch. So we have a nice mocha brown band, that champagne gold face, and of course that's just a little sticker on there. You can change the face, and then a little instruction booklet as well. Underneath that watch, we have some more information, it looks like, in that little packet, and what I would believe to be the charger. But packaging on this is really, really nice. This is a nice presentation of this watch. Would be beautiful for a gift. And here we have that charger. It looks like it's a proprietary charger where you go ahead and just put the back of the watch right on there. And it does have a USB-C connection on it. And then we have the watch itself. We'll go over that in more detail in just a moment. But they do have this nice little sticker on here showing you that you go ahead and press this, a long press for 5 seconds to turn it on. And then again, this is a sticker on the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and charge it all up. We'll go ahead and have a little walkthrough of the Fany Luna smartwatch. Fast forward a couple of months, and I have been using this watch almost daily for about 2.5 months or so, which is pretty awesome because it has so many different features. First off, right on the face, you can go ahead and customize this with a bunch of different ones, but you have exercises, the different types of exercises. This is gonna go ahead and kind of track exactly what you're doing. Everything from Pilates to swimming, walking. I use this outdoor walk one a lot. So it kind of has a countdown, and then it's going to track your pace down here on the bottom, how many miles you've gone, how long you've been going, and then of course your beats per minute as well. So to go ahead and stop it, you just go ahead and you can pause it. So if you take a bathroom break or something like that, you can just push this thing on the side. So of course the app shows you all the different things you can do. Of course you have your calendar on there, your time, how many steps you've gone. Right now I've gone 1.73 miles today. You can connect this to the app so you can have some weather updates. On top of that, you can also connect it with some music options. And then you have the ability to see all of your details just by swiping. How far we've gone, the distance. When you scroll down, you have the option of having a flashlight. So this just kind of illuminates, but you know it's bright enough to kind of see in a dark room. You have the settings that you can go into, so you can change things on there. To go back, you just hit that button on the top. That's the settings again. And then you have your different wake gestures. So this means you can go ahead and you can set an alarm to go ahead and wake you up. This is our battery, showing us how much battery we have. When it gets low, we can turn on power saving mode. You do have a do not disturb, so that you're not going to be woken up if your phone rings or vibrates, any notifications like that. And then of course your brightness, you can go ahead and adjust. So it's nice to go ahead and have all kinds of different things. It's telling me right now that I have 48 steps remaining in this hour to get all my steps in for the day. You can scroll through different things on here, and of course you can set all of that up on the app. So of course that app is going to show you a lot more in details. So it's going to show you how many calories you've burned today, your steps. I did do a quick outdoor walk today. Of course, your blood pressure or beats per minute, sleep, emotional health, all kinds of different details you can go ahead and set up on here. Exercise, again, this is going to go ahead and let you plan your training. For indoor walks, outdoor walks, all different types of things. Menstrual cycle, then you have your device. This is gonna show you how much battery you have remaining. And then of course you can change your faces. There's a plenty of faces that you can find on the watch market that are free. Otherwise you can pay just a little bit to have some different ones. And then you have phone calls that you can get on here, your alarm clock, your health tracking, all of those different details. Of course, this is kind of fun because it does give you different awards. It gives you reminders to go ahead and drink water, if you should get up and move around again so you can get your steps in. The Fany Luna has really been a great watch and fitness tracker all in one. If you'd like more details, go ahead and check out that link down below in the description for all the details, specifications to pick yourself up one. Thank you again for joining me today as we checked out this new watch. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.